Good afternoon, everybody. My doctor recommends that I should try some new relaxation methods, so please hold. I don't know if this is, I've never done this before, so, you know, don't really judge me too much here. Let's see. I put this like this. All right, I do like this. Boom. Try not to shake my hands too much here. Okay, and then flip it do. Okay. That was not as easy as I thought it was going to be, but it's on there now, so that's all that matters. Here we go. Let the pouring begin. There we go. Nice and relaxful. Woosah, as some would say. Oh, wait, we're going a little too fast there. Wait a minute, Purple. Wait, we gotta let the others catch up here. Oh, man. Okay. There we go. We got a good mix going on. Oh, but Purple's overriding everything. Oh, there we go. I'm feeling better already. All my worries are gone. They float away like these paints are. Let's see. Some of this here for you. Isn't that just peaceful? Get that spot. I want no spots in here though. You know, we're trying to relax here. I don't want to stress out myself with spots. Okay, well, I might have to put some of this here. A little bit of that. Some more here. This. Whoop-de-doo. Look at you. Alright. Boom. Go some of that. Huh? Okay. And then I don't know about this middle part here, so we're just gonna let it go like this. Okay. And that's it. We'll just let it drip off there. And maybe we'll give it a little some help. A little bit of manipulations. Okay. Shake it up. And that's it. You know what? That actually came out a little bit better than what I was expecting it to. So I'm not upset about that at all. You know, give it some more. Oh, okay, all right. Make it go back this way. Oh man, all right. I didn't even realize it's gonna be dripping all over the place, but it's all right. Look at this. We're swimming in colors here. Oh, good. I got it all over the joint. That's wonderful. All right. Well, there you have it. Ta-da! So if you enjoyed this video, or you know, like any of my other videos, go ahead and smash that like button, and you know, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to me. This is something I'm definitely okay with it. All right, I'll see you guys later.